Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating to Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with these wooden Dollar Tree dice. I'm going to take one of them and I'm going to paint it white. And I'm just using white acrylic paint, and I did 2 coats. And I'm going to let it fully dry in between coats. Once that was all painted and fully dry, I'm going to set that aside for a second, and I'm going to take a piece of tape, and I taped it to my little paint mat here. And I'm going to take one of the noses that I got off Amazon, and I'm going to paint it with the color burnt orange. I don't like the color that they came, so I just repaint them, and they come out just fine. So once I was finished painting that, I am going to take some pink paint and a Q-tip, and I'm going to put some rosy cheeks on either side. And I'm just taking it and going around in a circle till I get them to look the way that I want. I'm doing just on one side of the dice. Once I had that all finished, I'm going to take that nose and I'm going to hot glue that right in between those 2 rosy cheeks. So just set that right in the center there. Then I'm going to take a stylus, and I get this at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to dip one end into some black paint. And I'm going to make a couple of eyes at the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom and make a mouth. Then I'm going to take a fine tipped paintbrush, and I'm just going to put 2 eyebrows right above the eyes. And then I'm going to take that stylus again. I'm going to dip that in some white paint, and I'm going to do 3 little white dots on either cheek. Once I have that all done, I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm going to add it to the top, and then I'm going to take this hat from Walmart. It was in the ornament section with the mini ornaments, and I'm going to stick that right on top of his head. And that is it. This project is finished. It is so super cute, and it was really, really easy. And they sell another type of hat this year that has like a different design. It's not black. It's a red one, and I think that would be cute to make one out of also. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.